Hi friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price change occur in the refinance. What's the current change, what's the high price, and what is the current status of refinance in the cryptocurrencies markets. In this video I will show you with a live proof. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest and urgent news notification. Now let's start the video. As you can see here, friends, that is the live price prediction of the refinance of the last 1 hour. As you can see, they are loading. So friends, remember that I'm announcing a free 100 coin Reef coin free 100 giveaway. So please remember to subscribe and also press the bell icon for giveaway video notification. I'm announcing a 100 Reef coin giveaway, so ready for it soon. And remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel. When I reach 4K subscribers, then I upload a video about a giveaway of refinance coin. As you can see here, the last 1 day price prediction of the refinance is about the change as positive 1.68% occur in the refinance at this time. Absolutely a good change occur in the last 1 day, and the high price of Reef as about $0.04006 $1 is the high price of refinance in the last 1 day. Friends, if we look the price prediction chart of the refinance, so absolutely as you can see here, this start explosion. But if we look the currently condition of the refinance, so absolutely bad change occur in the refinances. In this time they falling down, but don't worry, soon in the future they again falling down. After 10 to 12 minutes they again start jumping upward. Don't worry about this change. Now let's start. Let's see the last 1 hour price predictions where the change goes at this time in a refinance. Friends, that is the last 1 hour price prediction of the refinance in the cryptocurrency markets. As I told you in the start of this video that the currently at this time refinance falls down, and the change occur in the refinance is about negative 0.95% change occur in the refinance, and the high price is about $0.039285 is the high price of refinance in the last 1 hour, friends. And the current price of Reef as at this time is $0.03881 is the current price of refinance. So friends, according to the price prediction of last 1 day, last 1 hour, it is clear that the last 1 hour price prediction is in the fall negative, as you can see on the screen, that is the live, and the last 1 day as in positive, as I show you in the start of this video. So my suggestion for all of refinance holder that please hold your Reef coin with the last of this month, because the big explosion of refinance are coming soon. So please wait for it. And what's your opinion about Reef coin? Please share in the comment box. And ready for a giveaway, please subscribe ABS Tech channel and press the bell icon for giveaway video notification. Thank you so much for watching this video.